Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk it through how to make vlog without showing your face. Here are the steps to make a vlog without showing your face using your iPhone. First, choose your vlog style. Pick a faceless format like POV, hands only, aesthetic shots, voiceover, or text-led vlogs. Plan your scenes. List what you'll film, your desk, morning routine, food prep, nature, travel clips, or tutorials. Set high quality video settings by going to Settings, Camera, Record Video, and choose 1080p or 4K at 30 frames per second or 60. Clean your camera lens. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for clean, sharp footage. Use the rear camera. It gives better quality, perfect for filming objects, places, and POV shots. Turn on grid lines. Go to Settings, Camera, Grid to help frame your shots aesthetically. Create aesthetic angles. Film from overhead, side views, close ups, or POV to keep your identity hidden. Use a tripod or stand. Help stabilize your iPhone when filming objects or hands only tutorials. Record B roll clips. Capture extra shots or surroundings, details, objects, or movement to make the vlog visually rich. Use good lighting. Position near a window or use a ring light to keep your shots bright and clean. Keep your background simple. Clean areas look more professional and reduce distractions. Record a voice. Optional. After filming, open your editing app like CapCut, iMovie, and add a voiceover to explain what's happening. Add text narration. If you don't want to talk, add text labels, titles, or captions to tell the story. Edit and upload. Use CapCut, VN, or iMovie to combine clips. Add music, adjust colors, and export in 1080p or 4K before uploading. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.